Fast Cut Herb tool from Xylis makes light work of chopping herbs. With 5 high-quality stainless steel cutting wheels, the Fast Cut Herb tool is great for cutting rosemary, coriander, basil, parsley, tarragon, chives and more. Much quicker than chopping with a knife, this gadget glides through herbs with speed and ease. This compact handheld device features a blade rotation mechanism, allowing the blades to rotate 90 degrees to offer greater versatility when in use. You can either roll the herbs using your palm or rotate the blades and use the grip function. The soft touch handle ensures comfortable and easy use. Ideal for using herbs as a garnish or for adding herbs to sauces or roasted vegetables. A blade cover allows the Fast Cut Herb tool to be safely stored. And for cleaning, simply remove the top and put in the dishwasher. For effortless herb chopping, use the Fast Cut Herb tool, another great innovation from Xylis.
From zucchini pasta to beet salad to apple chips, creating uniform spirals with this spiralizer is as easy as 1, 2, 3. The OXO 3-blade handheld spiralizer makes creating 3 different sizes of noodles a snap. The spiralizer features 3 stainless steel color-coded blades with an open blade design: green for 1/8 inch spaghetti curls, orange for 1/4 inch fettuccine spirals, and red for long ribbons. It also has a non-slip grip for comfort and a food holder to protect hands when not in use that doubles as a cover for safe storage. To begin, twist to remove all blades and food holder from the spiralizer. Select the blade you wish to use and twist to secure onto the non-slip body. The spiralizer will not work correctly with more than one blade attached. Cut the ends of the fruit or vegetables so they're flat and even, and place the flat end against the blade. Apply pressure while twisting the vegetable clockwise to get long, uniform spirals. Spiralizing works best when the produce is straight and at least 1.5 inches in diameter. If the produce is longer than 6 inches, just cut it in half. If it isn't naturally straight, cut it into straight sections. When you start to reach the end of the fruit or vegetable, use the food holder for safety to keep your fingers away from the sharp blade. A few twists later and you have delicious and healthy noodles or ribbons that you can dress up however you'd like. The spiralizer comes apart for cleaning, it's dishwasher safe, and locks together for storage. Here's a good tip. After using the ribbon blade, use an OXO paring knife to cut through the stack. It makes for great chips.